Top 5 bodyweight exercises for beginners.
Looking to kickstart your fitness journey? Today we're exploring the top 5 bodyweight exercises for beginners. These simple yet effective workouts require no gym membership and can be done anywhere, anytime. Perfect for any fitness level, especially beginners. Ready to dive in? Let's start with the first exercise. First up, we have the classic push-ups, a great upper body and core workout. Start in a high plank position, lower your body, keeping elbows close to your body. Push yourself back up. Remember, it's not about speed, it's about control and form. Moving on to squats, an effective exercise for your lower body and core. Start by standing tall, then bend at the hips and knees as if sitting back into a chair. Beware of knees buckling inwards or heels lifting off the ground. Keep your chest up and your knees in line with your feet. Next, we have the plank, a fantastic core strengthening exercise. Start on all fours, then lower onto your forearms. Extend your legs straight, toes grounding you down. Keep your body straight like a plank of wood. Hold for as long as you can, but remember, quality over quantity. Let's proceed to lunges, another powerful lower body workout. Start standing tall, then step forward with one foot, bending both knees at a 90-degree angle. Keep your upper body straight, engaging your core. Take a big step forward and make sure your knee doesn't go past your toes. Finally, we have glute bridges, a full body workout. Start on the floor on your back, feet on the floor, and your knees at a 90-degree angle. Hands on the floor, keeping your core engaged. Push through your heels and lift your glutes to make a bridge. Squeeze at the top, keep your pace steady, and your movements controlled. And there you have it. 5 simple yet effective bodyweight exercises to jumpstart your fitness journey. These exercises not only build strength, but also improve balance and flexibility. Remember, focusing on form and technique is crucial to avoid injury and to get the most out of each movement. Each exercise targets different parts of your body, creating a well-rounded workout. Remember, consistency is key, so get moving and keep striving for progress, not perfection.
Like and subscribe.